If you like motorsports and want to learn more about the racetrack experience, check out driveonthetrack.com.
Alright, I'm not even sure it's gonna make a sound when I turn the car on. Let's see. Alright, let's go. This is going on to the NASCAR Turn 3. It's a tight turn, believe it or not. It does not inspire confidence to be on this banking. I don't like to go flat out on this turn because if you drift, you hit the wall. We get up to over 100 here. Brake a little bit to go into the infield. There's a bump. I deal with the bump. Brake a little bit more. Go to the turn-in cone. Turn-in hard. They understeered a little bit. The ground's a little wet, so it just rained. It has a dried full here. Brake and turn in. This one is a little tighter. Go toward the apex. Good. And here I don't even turn. Just throw it back in. Just go to the turn-in. I mean, I don't even brake yet. And hit the apex. We got a little standing water here. Got to get around that cone. Brake. And turn. Drive onto the front straight. Now, this car has four-wheel drive, so it is a little easier to turn than I would usually. On the rear-wheel drive car, you kind of spin out of the turn quite a bit. It doesn't hook up, and this feels good. Brake. I like to cheat this infield turn because of this bump. I go straight and then brake again. Go to the turn in and turn hard. Understeer a little less. I think it's more the pavement, honestly. Pickup truck on the track. That's my partner's checking out the track, I think. Here. Turn. Turn. Hey, made it. He's pitting in. That's how you're supposed to pit in. I can feel the car move underneath me, but because it's four-wheel drive, it's not so bad. definitely produces better lap times, I think, and better corner speed. I just really don't like it. I like the car move around. Makes me feel like I'm messing around and going fast, even though I'm going slow. My traction control came on here and there to keep the power not going down, but yeah, on a rear wheel drive car I would have to throttle steer and then spin the back a bit to come around. A four wheel drive kind of just saves it. It makes you go faster when you make mistakes, especially. It's a little damp, so I can't really go full throttle, but you get a good idea of what a lap at Pocono would look like. I'm gonna have to come back on a dry day and see. That was much faster on the straight. Still a little hairy. Not too bad. Brake and turn toward the apex. I hear the tire protesting a little, but now this time it's tighter. This entry has a little bit of water, so I don't want to throw it in too hard. But see, that's pretty compliant. Better line too. Here. No, I'm drifting on this turn. Unfortunately, couldn't hold that line. Gotta pass him. Traction. See, you hear screaming, hear tires screaming. Just about to say I'm at the limit of traction for these tires on these conditions, so probably not going to be able to go much faster than that. The apex too early over there, and this puddle is really hurting the drive over here, so I think we're good. That was fun. I had enough.